Global Edge Integrated Manufacturing is comprised of integrated modules that provides manufacturers with an innovative method to automate labor-intensive workflow tasks to increase engineering capacity and provide real-time information throughout the manufacturing enterprise. This starts with the Global Edge Engineering Assistant, that is your engineering virtual assistant that automates and eliminates labor-intensive engineering workflow tasks that include quoting, design for manufacturing, and the preparation of information for the shop floor. Next is a SolidWorks CAD interface that automates the manual preparation of DXF flat files, including manufacturability testing to make sure sheet metal parts can be successfully fabricated on the shop floor before leaving engineering. Also included is an optional ERP/MES interface that provides a real-time connection with CAD, ERP and the shop floor to eliminate duplication of information and effort throughout the manufacturing enterprise. Global Edge Integrated Manufacturing provides an innovative plug-and-play approach to enhance your existing workflow process by addressing the 8 key areas of workflow automation from quoting to final product shipment. Global Edge Integrated Manufacturing starts with an optional automated work queue that helps eliminate labor-intensive steps throughout each stage of the design to manufacturing workflow process. Automated CAD part importation does a complete analysis and importation of sheet metal CAD part parameters to drive automated routing and sales quote generation, including manufacturability testing and bent program generation. Automated routing generation automates the determination of optimal routing steps based on the matching of CAD part parameters with the capabilities of shop floor machine tools. Automated sales quote generation provides an automated method to generate accurate and timely sales quotes directly from your sheet metal CAD parts. Automated batch unfolding provides the capability to generate small to large batches of DXF flat files from your sheet metal CAD models, including the incorporation of extended data to drive automated bent program generation. Global Edge Integrated Manufacturing provides complete manufacturability testing of your sheet metal CAD parts to help ensure they can be successfully fabricated on the shop floor before leaving engineering. Automated bend program generation eliminates the manual programming of your bending machines with the automated generation of CAM bending programs. Global Edge Integrated Manufacturing includes automated enterprise data exchange, which provides a simplified method for two-way integration with your various hardware and software technologies.